before quarantine happened, I went to the Louis store and got a wallet, so I figured why not do an unboxing. So I got the Emelie wallet, which we all love. So this is the box that it comes in. I haven't done my makeup in like so long, so right now I'm feeling it. I just got these nose rings too. Are you feeling them? This is the wallet. It's very cute. It's like petite. This is the Emelie wallet in the pink color. Boom. Looks like that. And then you open it up. It's like Louis Vuitton inside. And then here are the pockets. There's like 2 pockets in here. And then the little like wallet things for your IDs and stuff like that, which is really good, really nice. And then yeah, little zipper in there. I think this is like the price tag. Yeah, so that's the wallet. I love it because it's pink. And if you guys saw my other unboxing video, I will show you the other bag that I got. It like matches it, so that's why I got it. Here it matches the clutch. Super pretty. This one, they literally match the same exact pink. So yeah, so it like fits inside of there seamlessly, which is great because it's like Louis and a Louis. That's probably how I might wear it, like that. Might do that, I don't really know, but I think it's very cute and it's like very on brand. It's on brand. I realized like you could probably fit like a little gloss in there, whatever you really want. So I love that a lot. And the monogram print is legendary, right? Am I wrong? So yeah, that's the wallet. That's my new Louis V unboxing. I've just been quarantining it up, you guys, so yeah, I'm probably gonna make a couple videos right now. Packaging is super cute, and I just keep the bags and the boxes up there like on the top of my wardrobe. And yeah, it's super cute. Bye, you guys. I have a lot of other videos on my channel if you guys want to click, like, comment, turn your post notifications on for when I post a new video, which there should be a lot more new videos coming up, because what the hell else am I doing inside of my house in quarantine? Not much. So well, I'm also like, I've been doing a lot of recording. I'm kind of sad because I got these bags pretty recently, and guess where I'm wearing them to? Nowhere. I'm wearing them to the kitchen. That's it. But it's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys like this little unboxing. I will be back with another video soon.